Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Thermon, a leader in industrial process heating solutions. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Thermon's latest report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025 is packed with insights, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Thermon reported a revenue of $134 million for Q4 2025, marking a 5% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by continued momentum in OPEX revenues and contributions from the FATI acquisition. Despite some softness in large project revenue, Thermon managed to increase its gross profit by 13% to $59.4 million, thanks to a favorable revenue mix and productivity enhancements.
And how did this impact their profitability?
Thermon's net income surged by 68% to $17 million, with an adjusted EPS of 56, beating the forecast of 50 cents. This impressive profitability is a result of their strategic focus on operational efficiencies and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Thermon's operational efficiencies seem to be paying off. Their adjusted EBITDA increased by 29% to $30.5 million. What does this tell us about their operational strategy?
It indicates that Thermon is effectively managing its operations, focusing on productivity improvements and a favorable revenue mix. Their book-to-bill ratio of 1.04x and a 19% increase in new orders reflect strong demand and efficient order fulfillment.
Looking ahead, how is Thermon positioned for fiscal 2026?
Thermon enters fiscal 2026 with strong bookings momentum and a robust backlog. Despite macroeconomic uncertainties, their diversified supply chain and strategic focus on emerging markets like data centers and nuclear position them well for sustained growth.
Management commentary and strategic initiatives. CEO Bruce Thames highlighted record revenue and adjusted EBITDA in his commentary. What strategic initiatives are they focusing on?
Thermon is advancing its decarbonization, digitization, and diversification strategy. They successfully integrated acquisitions and are expanding into emerging markets. Their $20 million share repurchase and $137 million in liquidity provide financial flexibility to execute these strategies.
How does this align with their long-term goals?
These initiatives are designed to enhance revenue stability and improve margins. By focusing on strategic growth areas and maintaining a prudent capital allocation, Thermon aims to drive long-term value creation for shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Thermon has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2025, with significant growth in revenue and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and financial flexibility position them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Thermon's ability to beat EPS expectations and maintain strong order momentum is commendable. Their focus on strategic growth areas and operational efficiencies bodes well for fiscal 2026 and beyond.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Thermon's performance in the comments below.